We make this project from by helping of Aaklan teacher, and we are represented from Aravali Public Senior Secondary School, Sikar. My name is Shatu. So this system is very effective for application like noise detection in restricted area, voice or play based control alerts, separately alarm or impression alerts, automatic sound based triggers, and thanking you.
My name is Sana. This is audio. This is buzzer. This is the sensor, sound sensor and detect sound.
My name is Mohan. The sound center module connect a small microphone and an amplifier circuit. The microphone converts sound wave into small electrical signals. The onboard comparator circuit compares the input sound level with a present their hold. Thank you.
My name is Rishabh. When the sound level exceeds this threshold, the modules deopen. Outputs higher. Arduino reads the signal and activates the buzzer for a short duration. When no sound